Hey guys, I have found another trade into commodity market and we are selling natural gas at the market, and this is the stop and the target for that kind of easy trade. So we'll be booking the profits maybe intraday. I'll be updating you as we go along. Let's see what happens. Hey guys, as you can see, we are moving towards our target and we are in the money by 2 rupees. Let's see what happens next. But in this trade, I want to give you the freedom of taking 2 targets. All right, but for me personally, I would be taking only 1 target. I'll be booking all the profits here, but for you, you can book your half of the quantity here and half of the quantity you can book in this area if you want to. So that's up to you. Do your analysis and then make your decision. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, this is the final update on the natural trade we have taken in the morning, and now I'm feeling bad for me actually. Actually, I booked my entire profit over there due to the pending orders in the system, and now this thing is confirming downside, more downside. So I hope you are taking 2 targets here, and for those who are doing it, congratulations, you are doing good, because 90% this thing is going to hit your target. So anyways, another trade into our pocket, and we'll be hunting for more trade tomorrow. Good night everybody. Bye bye. Thank you so much.